takeoff.
Good morning again, Boeing November 888 Yankee is stand 52. We're connected to the pushback, ready to push.
November 8 Tango Yankee, April hello, pushback and startup approved.
Thank you. It's Boeing November 888 Tango Yankee. Engine started, ready for taxi with information Juliet.
November 8 Tango Yankee, taxi via first right on Romeo, to Romeo 7 to hold short of runway 16.
Romeo to Romeo 7, hold short. AAA Tango Yankee.
Austin 552 Sierra, from pushback and startup approved.
Startup pushback approved, Austin 552 Sierra. And apron for November 888 Tango Yankee, confirmed still runway 28 for departure.
Correct, about that intersection Romeo 7, you have to hold short of runway 16.
Yes, I copy now, thank you sir.
Binary Papa Yankee, standby tower 118.15.
Standby tower 118.1, Papa Yankee.
Nine Victor, after the left hand slowly please, give way to company left right on November.
We slow down and give way to company on November 5th, 319 Victor.
Papa 8 Tango Yankee, contact now ground 121.905.
AAA Tango Yankee, 121.905. And ground control, good morning again. Boeing November 888 Tango Yankee holding short of 16 on Romeo 7.
November 8 Tango Yankee, ground below, taxiway Romeo 7, cross runway 16 and taxiway right turn for Echo 7.
Roger sir, clear to cross runway 16 and then right turn via Whiskey 7.
Taxiway Echo 7, 90 degrees to the right of the runway.
Got it.
Number 8 Tango Yankee, right turn Echo 7, otherwise continue straight ahead for Echo 6 please now.
Alright sir, understand, continue straight ahead and then right turn Echo 6. Tango Yankee.
8 Tango Yankee, you're now on Echo 6 and stand by Alpha, contact west 121.1755 please.
Roger, we'll contact 121.755. And apron Boeing November 888 Tango Yankee.
November 8 Tango Yankee, hello again, turn right via Alpha, taxi straight ahead on Alpha to the holding position, Alpha 2.
Okay, taxi straight ahead by Alpha, Tango Yankee.
Austin 552 Sierra, taxi behind 737 via Alpha to the holding position, Alpha 2.
Japan 737 on Alpha to Alpha 2, Austin 552 Sierra.
November 8 Tango Yankee, your clearance limit is the holding position Alpha 2.
Okay, hold at Alpha 2, 888 Tango Yankee.
November 8 Tango Yankee, stand by tower, 118.1, bye-bye.
118.1 for 888 Tango Yankee, good day.
November 888 Tango Yankee, Zürich-Kloten, behind the Swiss on the runway, line up and wait, runway 28 behind.
Behind the Airbus on the runway, clear to line up and wait, 888 Tango Yankee.
Please, Charlie Whiskey, report ready for departure.
We are ready, Swiss, 3 Charlie Whiskey.
3 Charlie Whiskey, Roger, wind 070 degrees, 3 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
28, clear takeoff, 3 Charlie Whiskey.
Oscar 552, Sierra Zürich-Kloten, behind the Boeing 737 ahead, line up and wait, runway 28 behind.
Yeah, it's 37 ahead, lining up with 2.
Charlie Whiskey, contact departure, goodbye.
Departure, 3 Charlie Whiskey, I think. And for 888 Tango Yankee, just to confirm departure frequency 125.9 or 55.
Departure frequency 125.9 or 55, and I will send you over after the departure.
Okay, stay with you until you send us over, yeah.
Correct. November 888 Tango Yankee with 090 degrees, 5 knots, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Runway 28, and we're clear for takeoff. 888 Tango Yankee.
Tango Yankee, contact now departure 125.9 or 55.
Bye-bye, thank you.